Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Sony has come out with a lot of phones this year, and the latest we've gotten our hands on is the Xperia XZ3. It's quite a bit different from the Xperias we've come to know, so let's check it out. Unlike the large, bulky XZ2 Premium, the XZ3 has an elegant and modern looking design. Sony has moved away from the traditional angular look this year, introducing a lot of curves into their phones, and the XZ3 is even curvier. The glass back tapers in sharply to the frame. It's thinner and stronger thanks to being 7000 series aluminum. The sharp edge adds some grip and makes the phone feel quite slim. The curved back is balanced by the curvature of the OLED screen. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time from Sony, we have an OLED screen and it's curved around the sides. It's more like what you'd expect from a Samsung Galaxy. This HDR-capable screen is 6 inches with a QHD resolution, and it has a tall 18:9 aspect ratio. Content spills around the curved edges and looks awesome with those deep OLED blacks. Sony really caught us by surprise with this one. There's even an always-on display, which is customizable with plenty of options. The stereo speakers are even louder now, and there's still the unique dynamic vibration system. When enabled, the phone will vibrate along to the sounds. Sadly, the headphone jack is gone for good, so you'll have to plug your headset into the USB-C port with the dongle. I do have one gripe with the build, and that's the awkward placement of the fingerprint reader. It's really easy to mistakenly smudge your lens. Under the hood is a high-end Snapdragon 845 chipset and 4 gigs of RAM. As expected, performance feels great and there are no hiccups so far. But where this phone is pushing things a bit further is in the way of software. The XZ3 runs Sony's Xperia launcher over the latest Android 9 Pie. One new feature is the SideSense interface, which takes advantage of the curved screen. Double tapping on the curved edge will pull up a menu with recent and recommended apps. You can also slide down on the edge to go back in any app. A double tap on the edge in the camera interface will snap a photo too. Another debut feature is Smart Launch. Just take your phone out of your pocket and aim, and a preview will appear. Touch the circle and the camera app will launch to take a quick shot. Sony says not to worry about this constantly turning on. It doesn't consume much power, plus AI is able to reduce accidental activation by 90%. The camera UI itself has been simplified too. It's much easier to get into the different camera modes, which are all held within a single menu. And now, thanks to one of Android's new features, you can pin a shortcut to specific camera modes directly to the home screen. There are a lot of upgrades to the camera's processing. The single main camera is 19 megapixels, and it now has AI-enhanced exposure control to help with difficult contrasty scenes such as foliage and cloudy skies. There's also a bokeh mode, with a defocus background created only through software. Low light processing is also helped out by advancements in Sony's Bion's algorithms. They claim much better color rendition in low light. We'll have to dive deeper into this in our full review. The selfie cam is 13 megapixels in f1.9. There are a few new beautification options available, as well as a selfie bokeh mode. Like before, there is support for 4K HDR video recording, which grants wider dynamic range and better color expression in contrasty scenes, if played back on a supported screen. There's also super slow-mo 960fps video recording at up to 1080p resolution, which made its debut on the Xperia XZ2. No advancements in this department for now. We are curious of how the battery life will hold up when powering this big screen and all these features. With a 3300 mAh battery, the XZ3 should do alright, but we'll have to do some further testing. There's support for fast charging, but this time it's USB power delivery. And there's wireless charging, just like on the XZ2. Overall, the Xperia XZ3 took us by surprise, in a good way. Sony did a complete overhaul of the design and the software, and the result is an awesome, modern flagship phone. What do you guys think? Let us know down in the comments and we'll try to answer any questions you have in our full review coming soon. See ya!